Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English classroom for standard 7. Students, we were learning lesson number 2.2, the souvenir. In this lesson, you have seen that souvenir is an event of sentimental value, something you want to remember, the location you always want to keep in mind, that is souvenir. I read 1/3 of the lesson, in which you have seen that it is a journey on the moon. It is about the journey on the moon by a little girl. So I am going to read the lesson after that, and I shall explain you after the reading is done. So when I am reading the lesson, listen me carefully. When I am reading, listen carefully. I am reading on page number 25. Lesson number 2.2, the souvenir, page number 25, paragraph number 4. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. I hope you got the lines. It is also visible on your screen. So, listen carefully. According to the Earth calculations, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. The 3 days of trip were going to be part of the night time on the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was Sky Watch. See on your screen and keep open your book. Now page number 26. Sky watch on the earth. It was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. The most attractive view was that of the disk of the earth. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. It was also 70 times brighter. The earth light fell on the moon. This beautiful, enchanting view made Sayali and her friends ecstatic. They fell asleep feeling happy, excited and comfortable at the same time. The second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. One unique feature of the circus was the seating arrangement. The spectators were made to sit in the tent, and the circus was going on the outside. High jumps and long jumps were the special attractions. One gymnastic jumped 27 meters high. 27 meters high. On the both On both the days, beside the main attractions, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. It was expected that the students should spend some time for self study. The teacher had assigned them the task of writing an essay on how they spent their time on the moon, which places they visited, what they observed, etc. Sayali and her friends had traveled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. On the third day, their teacher took them to a place of historical importance. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Everyone was looking forward to this visit to the historical monument. It was the oldest place in the history of man on the moon. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. Beside the footprint was a grand statue of Armstrong. At the base of the statue were carved the first words uttered by a human on the moon. One small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. Next, now come on the page number 27. The next attraction for the children was that they were going to wear spacesuits for the first time. Then they were going to roam outside, experiencing the gravitational force of the moon. But careful even you walk, dear children. Don't run or sprint. You will fall. The teacher was warning repeatedly. But who was in the mood to listen? They hopped, jumped, and ran around. Buy ornaments specially made from the stones on the moon were very cheap, cheaper than those available in the shops in the settlement. Cheaper and better. At least have a look. The roadside shopkeepers screamed at the top of their voice. Buy, sister, buy. I am selling these earrings really cheap. Saying this, he approached Sayali and displayed the set of shining stones earrings. Sayali suddenly remembered her mother. Tomorrow they were to start on their return journey. She had completely forgotten her mother in the last 3 days She felt terribly guilty. But these sisters don't think much. Cheaper and better. Take it. Sayali looked around. The other children had proceeded ahead. Come on, give me those red earrings. Quick. Sayali pointed at them and asked, What's the price? Only 1,000 rupees, replied the salesman. Sayali immediately paid the amount, took the earrings, and ran to catch up with her friends. On returning home, Sayali told her mother very enthusiastically, Mummy, look what I have brought for you. Her mother picked up the earrings. She exclaimed, Hello, dear, how I am going to wear such heavy earrings. Sayali immediately replied her mistake. Sayali immediately realized her mistake. Sayali had purchased the earrings in the field of the moon's gravity. So, the reading is over. I shall explain you the whole lesson in my next lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.